Hi, I'm Sean from Port Stephens Library. Today I'm going to show you how to use our music streaming service Freegal. So the first thing we need to do is to go to the Newcastle Library's website. So if you just Google Newcastle Libraries, you should come to this homepage. So if we go over to eLibrary here and then down to eMusic. Okay. Now, down here it says login, so we click on that. And then we click on login up here. So now you'll need to put in your card number. So this one I've prepared earlier, so we'll put that one in. Okay. So at the moment, Freegal is offering unlimited music streaming for free. So when you come to the page, you'll see this home screen. It's got some featured playlists and featured albums. However, if you want to dig a little bit deeper, go to Browse over here and we'll get all these new tabs up the top here. So we'll have a look at genres. So here's all your different genres. So we'll click on one of those. Let's have a look at rock. So now it's showing here all the top rock albums. See what they've got. Yep. Now you can also go to artists. So there's some featured artists here. There's also some new artists to have a look at. We also have music videos up here, and there is some audiobooks as well. The best part though is to go up into the search bar up the top here, type in an artist that you want to listen to. So we'll try something basic. We'll go AC/DC. Okay. So up here is a list of artists under AC/DC, so we'll go to view all. So this looks like AC/DC here. Let's click on that. Okay, so now it's showing us some albums. So we'll go over here where it says view all. Right, so here's a good collection of AC/DC albums. So now it's just simply a matter of clicking on whichever one we'd like to listen to. So we'll go over here, and then it's just a matter of clicking it to stream. There it is. Yeah, so as I said earlier, Freegal is currently offering free streaming with no limits. Usually there is some limits on the streaming, and there's also downloads, so you can still download, and that's just a matter of going onto one of them. So we'll go back to this song here and we'll go download. So if you click on that, that will then save it for you. But at the moment you can stream to your heart's content. There's also an app available for iPhone and for Android phones. So if you click on either of these, you'll get a link to that, and the menu looks very similar. It's pretty basic to use. Yeah, so I hope you enjoy it.